Hi guys, Demi here with Proven Canine Training, and today I'm here with Luna. Luna's an adorable little pitty puppy. She has the prettiest blue eyes, and I'm super excited to be working with her over the next 2 weeks. So let's figure out where she's at right now. Luna! Luna, sit! Luna, sit! No? Luna, down! Lay down! No? What about place? Yes, good girl! She definitely shows that she has a little bit of confidence, and that's great. We'll build that up over the next 2 weeks. Keep your eye out for Luna. I'm Demi, Luna, Proven Canine Training, Amarillo, Texas.